Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: a name tag and an anvil. First, place the name tag in the anvil and type the exact name you want. This costs XP, so make sure you have at least one level, higher if the tag was previously used. Rename it clearly and concisely because long names can clip. Once done, pick up the rename tag and keep it ready in your hotbar for the next step. Make sure you're in peaceful conditions so nothing interrupts the action. Now apply the tag. Approach the villager gently so you don't accidentally open their trade screen or push them into hazards. Equip the rename tag in your hand and right-click on the villager. You'll see the name appear above their head immediately. If the trade UI pops up, close it and try again. Use sneak or stand slightly off to the side. Once named, make sure the name tag text isn't hidden by helmets, bells, or blocks. Move them if necessary to keep the name visible. Finish by securing the named villager. Place them in a pen next to their workstation and bed to prevent wandering, which keeps their identity useful for trading and tracking. If the name ever disappears, make sure you're not on a server with plugins or data packs that strip custom names, and confirm the game isn't converting them, like zombification. As a precaution, back up your world or test the process in a creative copy so you can reproduce results without risking important villagers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.